today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot lawn mowers you can get on Amazon right now. Equipped with the Vision 6 dual eye system, the V3 recognizes over 160 plus obstacles in 3D, allowing it to navigate your yard intelligently and safely. It continuously learns from its environment, adapting to new obstacles as your yard changes, ensuring a smooth and secure mowing experience. Powerful obstacle crossing capability and adaptive suspension system allow LUBA Mini to smoothly traverse steep slopes, potholes, rough terrain, or tall and thick grass. Equipped with an 88-watt blade motor with a cutting width of up to 7.9 inches and zero-turn design Omni wheels, it maximizes the efficiency of mowing tasks even in consistently wet environments. Trees, narrow corridor. However complicated your garden layout is, enhanced EFLS 2.0 got you covered. Customized RTK technology with vision enhancement provides stable centimeter level positioning to handle an incredibly diverse range of lawn layouts. Even when it's under the trees or in a narrow corridor, Navimow still works perfectly with accurate navigation. Auto charging and weather sensor for all-weather protection. The mower automatically returns to the charging dock when the battery is low or rain is detected, preventing work interruptions. With an IPX5 weatherproof rating, it withstands various outdoor conditions to provide reliable performance rain or shine. Merge, split, or delete areas, giving you full control over your lawn layout. You can set multiple paths for the robot to travel between zones and define no-go areas. Customize settings for different zones, including cutting speed, cutting height, obstacle avoidance height, and mowing direction to match your personal preferences and schedule.